Hello, my name is Justin Walford and we're going to give you a short insight into how we made this year's festive video in which we inscribed the word Season's Greetings on the outside of this very fragile glass bauble. Now you might think this is a very uniform shape, but actually it's not very spherical. It has a form variation of about 0.3 millimeters and the glass itself is only 200 microns thick. The painted coat surface is only 10 to 20 microns, which only gives us a machining window of about 10 microns. So as you can imagine, this is a very challenging problem to do, but together with our Sprint Technology probe and the associated software we provide with the system, we can actually simplify that process and make it quite an easy thing to do. We start with a nominal surface, which is a perfect sphere in this case, and a matching nominal inscription toolpath, which in this case was generated with a third-party CAM package. We then generate a scan program with our Productivity Plus suite of tools. And we scan the surface of the bauble on the machine using our 3D scanning probe. Then in a very short space of time, the software adapts the nominal inscription toolpath to match the real shape of the part and automatically uploads a new cutting program to the machine and starts the inscription. Due to the thickness of the paint, we had to ensure that the cut depth was accurately controlled to achieve this finish, and this heavily relies on us accurately modelling the true surface shape. We can achieve this level of accuracy through the system's unique 3D capability, full controller integration, and the sophisticated surfacing tools that all come built in within the package. And that allows us to create a fully adaptive toolpath, even on a complex 3D application like this. So as you can see, this is a really powerful technology and can be applied to a number of industries where customers are dealing with near-net shaped parts, such as castings or 3D printed parts. And it offers itself a number of applications such as chamfering, deburring, edge breaking, or even where you've got copy cut of mating parts. So we hope you've enjoyed this year's festive video, and thank you for watching.